Ma, mom, mommy, mother. Whenever we hear these words, lots of emotions overwhelm us. A mother's heart is always with her children. She wants best for them. Hi, I am Dr. Balvinder Kaur, a mother of two wonderful kids. And I know very well how much difficult it has become to bring up the child in this world of nuclear families. The day I got pregnant with my first child, I had lots and lots of queries and no one to turn to. That was the year 2000, but now things have changed. Welcome to the world of internet and Google searches. In this world of technology and internet, we can search anything wherever we want. But do we get authentic information? No. So here I am to create a niche for you from being a 2D mother to a mother of a 3-year-old kid. I present my idea.
Mom and Me, Saware Aapki Duniya in a traditional way. The problems faced by our potential customers are vaccination charts of pregnant women and baby, growth charts of baby during pregnancy and up to 3 years of age, reminders of intake of essential supplements, reminders of intake of proper diet at proper time, parenting and baby care tips, exercise during pregnancy and after childbirth, maternity and kids wear, and online consultation from gynecologist, pediatrician, and the counselor on one platform. So this is the big problem, that they cannot find all the things together on one platform. We would provide a comprehensive platform for pregnant women as well as new mommies. Speciality is age-old traditional recipes and delivery of the same, for example gond laddus, panjeeris, etc., and frequent reminders for diet and vaccination, exercise and workout routines by professionals, online consultation by gynecologists, pediatrician and counselors, and maternity and kids wear on one platform. Our customer segments basically comprise of urban pregnant women, new mothers, working mothers, nuclear families, mothers of children between 0 to 3 years old. As a part of the Do Your Venture program, we have streamlined our vision and goals for the coming years and would be delighted to have industry expert advice and mentoring sessions with business experts from the Institute. We also hope to incubate our idea given a chance and look to scale the same to meet requirements of our esteemed customers. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.